was basically built on some kind of, no true facts or some historical facts that could be verified. So it was built on Ahmed, tell me. Ah, what is that? What's the word? Ah, legend. Legend. Okay. Legend. Legend? Do we say legend? Legend? Okay, I'm gonna write the word on the board. Legend. Do we say legend? What do we say? Amina? Amina. Ah, we say legend. Thank you. Thank you. Legend. So this letter here is pronounced. What is it pronounced? J. So in phonetic transcription, this is how this letter is transcribed. So it's a J, 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 J. Legend. Legend. We say, repeat, Ahmed. It's a legend. Thank you, Ahmed. All right. Good. All right. Now, by the way, I probably know why you said legend, Ahmed. Yeah. Maybe because, the French word légende. It's exactly the same word with the same meaning. But in French, it's pronounced je. In English, it is pronounced je. Okay? So you have to pay attention to that. You have to pay attention to that. So how do you say the word? Legend. That's correct. Very good. So this is in English, this letter in the English alphabet is pronounced then G. Thank you. That's right. Thank you. That's G. Okay. It's a G. Correct. All right. Now, by the way, what about this letter? Since we're talking about French and the interference with the French language. Yes? What is it pronounced? Asa? Uh-huh. Is it G? Be careful. It's it's J. Thank you. That's right. That's J. Correct. J. That's J. Okay? Right. So, this G letter, all right? As you can see, it could be pronounced J, all right? In other words, it has different pronunciations. So, this is the letter. It could be pronounced, here, J, thank you. So it's pronounced J. It is pronounced J. Okay, so that's J again. Or, what about other words? Can you think of other words in English? Give. That's right. Thank you. Give. And that's a G. It is a G. You see? And a G, it's a G like that. That's a G. G. It's G. Of course, here we're using phonetic transcription symbols, right? Is there another pronunciation of it? Now, I'd like you to think of words like, for example, evening. Evening. All right? Morning. Okay? Do you think it's a G? Certainly it's not a J. Is it a G? Do we say morning? G, G. Is it a morning? G? Is it a G? Or morning? Morning. Yeah, it's something with the nose here. Yeah, it comes here. It comes from here. Right. It's a ing. Ing. Right. So it's halfway between N and G. If you like, it's a nasalized G. Right. So, any other pronunciation for this word? For this word? Now, what about the word garage? Garage. Now here you've got the G. What about the last letter? Huh? It's a J. It's a J. So we say garage. Do you know any other words where the G is pronounced J? Do you? Do you know any other words? Actually, there are very few words in English. And these words are generally from French. They come from French. Like, for example, beige, which is a color. Garage. We don't say garage or beige. We say beige, the color beige, and garage, where you park your car, where you put your car. Okay? So then, very rarely, this G letter is pronounced what? Je, like that. Okay? So, now I'd like you to give me examples now. For je. Yes? Dunia? Change. Thank you. All right. Good. What did you say? Glory. Yes. Oh yeah, this is very frequent in English. Yeah. Morning. Thank you. Morning. And what about this? Now I mentioned two words. Can you remember? Yes, you certainly remember the word garage. Garage, absolutely. Good. Excellent. So, you see, I'm going to underline the letter G, and here it's all that, and here it's this. Notice that garage also contains the letter G and it's pronounced G. G, right? Okay? Great. So, now this was not actually planned, but because I saw that some of you, or one of you, said the word incorrectly, so I seized the moment and I said, well, this is the moment to maybe clarify things and to teach you this. Okay? Now, I hope this is clear. Okay? So, Ahmed, back to you. How do you say this word? Legend. Thank you, Ahmed. That's very good. Okay, let's move on to the rest of our lesson.